Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my new n8n workflow, which is a quality data check system. So the goal of this workflow is really simple. It is to check automatically every day if in your data you have some incidents, some issues, some null data, or any incident about your data, any wrong data, etc. So let's have a look at this workflow. So we can see that the workflow is composed by 3 different steps. So the first one is about the data quality rules. So we will have a daily trigger. I advise you to do it around 7 a.m. Why? Because you need to have everything, if there is an issue, to receive every report before you start your working day. So it's important you run it before 8:30 or 9. So it means before you start to work. So first we'll get some data from our database on Notion. Then we will analyze the different data. So we'll gather them, analyze them, and we'll build a summary. Then once the summary built, we will have an AI step which will do a deeper analysis, and if there is some issues, that will do recommendation about how to resolve the issues. And then we will calculate a trend which will be used in case of 2 different scenarios. So we can see with this node if that we have 2 different scenarios. So the first one is the false one, which is if the data don't have like any requirement that there is an incident, the workflow will stop and everything is okay. But if following what we calculated before, we have some issues, then we will go to the second scenario. And for the second scenario, we have 2 other scenarios. So we have one, which is, let's say, the little scenario where we have some incident, but it is minor incident. So we'll have directly a login into our data quality run page on Notion. But if following what we calculated before, we have the metrics which are higher than this, we will then do more steps. So we will have first an autofix simulation, and then we'll create a Jira ticket so it can be done as soon as possible. Then once this is done, we will have also the data which will be logged in our Notion page. And then we'll have the escalation, because when we have this kind of incident, we want to resolve it as soon as possible, because, for example, it can be on your e-commerce website for one item, your price is missing or anything. It depends really on your scenario. And this workflow is really adaptable and very scalable for everything and every type of business. So we will have, first of all, an email reporting that will be sent to the main people, so for example the data team or the e-commerce team, so they can resolve the issues as soon as possible. And also we'll have, let's say, a double alert, which will be by Slack on your Slack channel, or on the, let's say, the Slack people assigned to this kind of issues, so they can resolve it as soon as possible. So in any case, if they don't see your email, they will probably see your Slack message, or if they don't see your Slack message, they will see your email reporting and the email will pop up. So this is it. So this workflow is really useful because it allows you to not have a manual check about your data, and you will have a system which will run automatically every day and report to you as soon as there is an incident. So that's it for me, guys. If you have any question, any comments, any remarks, don't hesitate to write them in the comment. If you like this video, put a like, and I wish you a great day. Bye bye.